Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 20 Genius Kreg tools that can completely transform your woodworking game. From precision joinery to faster, cleaner builds, these innovative tools are designed to save time and boost accuracy. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these Kreg essentials will take your projects to the next level. Let's get started. Drill Guide Pro. The Kreg Drill Guide Pro KDG6500 is a portable jig that delivers drill press level accuracy wherever you work. It features dual direction adjustable angles from 90 degrees to 45 degrees, making angled drilling simple and precise. A spring-loaded depth stop ensures consistent hole depth, while built-in dust collection keeps your workspace clean. Its self-centering base and V-grooves stabilize various materials, and the Grip Max surface prevents slipping. Compatible with most drills, it supports multiple bit types and offers reliable performance for DIY ERs and professionals. Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL. The Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro XL KHI-PULL-PRO-XL is a professional grade tool designed for installing oversized cabinet handles with precision and ease. Its extra large capacity supports pulls up to 38 inches, while dual contact stability ensures accurate shift-free drilling. The modular design allows quick conversion between large and compact setups. Featuring hardened steel drill guides, laser-etched scales, and a durable all-aluminum build, it delivers consistent results. With reversible setup and included storage case, it's ideal for both pros and DIY users. SureCut Saw Blade. The Kreg SureCut saw blade lineup delivers clean, precise, and splinter-free cuts for woodworking projects involving plywood, hardwoods, and trim. Engineered with premium carbide teeth, these blades stay sharper, longer, and ensure consistent performance. A PTFE anti-stick coating reduces heat and friction, preventing burn marks on wood. Laser-cut anti-vibration slots improve stability and minimize noise during operation. With thin, curved designs, they require less power, making them ideal for both corded and cordless saws, while maximizing efficiency and accuracy. Pocket Hole Joiner Kit. Kreg's latest pocket hole joiner lineup covers every skill level, from beginners to professionals. The Rebel 20-volt ionic drive stands out as a fully cordless, all-in-one solution with one-motion drilling and a powerful brushless motor. The 720 Pro offers a benchtop station with automatic clamping and workspace efficiency. For portability, the 520 Pro balances versatility and convenience, while the 320 provides a simple, budget-friendly option ideal for quick repairs and small DIY woodworking projects at home. Adaptive Cutting System Master Kit. The Kreg Adaptive Cutting System Master Kit, ACS3100, is a versatile space-saving solution for precise woodworking. It combines a powerful plunge-cut track saw with a sturdy project table, enabling accurate, repeatable cuts on large panels and solid wood. Features like integrated measuring scales, hinged track mounting, and a miter guide enhance efficiency. Safety elements include anti-kickback control and a blade brake, while its folding mobile design ensures easy storage and portability for small workshops. Rip-Cut. The Kreg Rip-Cut KMA2685 transforms a standard circular saw into a precise, edge-guided ripping tool, ideal for cutting large sheet materials like plywood and MDF. It offers up to 24-inch cutting capacity with a reversible oversized edge guide for steady control. A universal sled fits most saws, while the built-in measuring system ensures accurate, repeatable cuts without marking. Tool-free adjustments, durable materials, and a user-friendly reversible design make it practical for both beginners and professionals. Dowel Jig Kit. The Kreg Dowel Jig Kit KHJD 345 is a no-measure joinery system designed for accurate, repeatable dowel joints in woodworking projects. Its preset design references fixed edges, ensuring consistent alignment without complex measurements. Featuring multiple alignment methods, removable hardened steel drill guides, and built-in depth controls, it simplifies setup and drilling. The clamp-ready body enhances stability, while indexing pins allow precise spacing across panels. Ideal for furniture, cabinets, and repairs, it delivers professional quality results with ease and reliability. Oscillating multi-tool. The Kreg 20 Volt Ionic Drive. Oscillating multi-tool is a precision-focused, cordless power tool perfect for woodworking tasks like sanding, flush cutting, and detail work. It features a brushless motor for consistent power, 6-speed variable control, 7,000 to 17,000 OPM, and a toolless blade change system. Its universal head fits most accessories, while vibration damping, an LED work light, and all-metal housing enhance comfort and durability. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces hand fatigue and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Barrel Grip Jigsaw. The Kreg 20 Volt Ionic Drive. Barrel Grip Jigsaw KPTJS 100A is a precision-focused cordless tool designed for woodworkers who value control over bulk. Its auto mode speed control ensures accurate blade starts, while the brushless motor reaches up to 3,800 SPM. With 6 variable speeds and 4 orbital settings, it handles everything from delicate laminates to hardwoods. The ergonomic barrel grip, tool-free bevel adjustment, and die-cast aluminum base enhance accuracy, while integrated dust management and dual LEDs keep cuts clean and visible. Trim Router. The Kreg 20 Volt Ionic Drive. 1/4 inch trim router, KPTRT 025A, is a cordless brushless router engineered for precise edge work, trimming, and decorative shaping. Its variable speed motor, 10,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute, and soft start technology provides smooth, controlled cuts, while micro-precision depth adjustment ensures exact bit positioning. Designed with dual LEDs, a clear base plate, and ergonomic rubberized grip, it delivers excellent visibility and handling. The durable die-cast construction and integrated dust port make it ideal for both workshop and job site use. Circular Saw. Kreg has expanded its professional cordless lineup with versatile saws, including the 4.5-inch circular saw, 7.25-inch circular saw, and 6.5-inch plunge cut track saw. The compact 4.5-inch model is lightweight for one-handed precision, while the 7.25-inch full-size saw handles deeper cuts and integrates with the AccuCut track system. The 6.5-inch plunge cut track saw offers variable speeds, enhanced safety features, and precise blade left visibility. all models feature brushless motors, robust construction, and dust management solutions, ideal for both woodworking and construction projects. Mini circular saw. The Kreg 20-volt ionic drive, 4.5-inch circular saw, KPTCS 450A, is a compact one-handed saw designed for precision in thin materials. Its high-torque brushless motor delivers 5,000 revolutions per minute for clean cuts in hardwood, plywood, and trim. Featuring a slim, ergonomic design with an auxiliary top handle, adjustable bevel, 0 degrees to 45 degrees, soft start motor, and electronic blade brake, it ensures safety and control. Integrated LED work light and dust port enhance visibility and cleanliness. The all-metal base, SureCut blade, and lightweight 4.8 pounds design complete this durable, versatile saw. Portable impact driver. The Kreg 20-volt ionic drive, 1/4-inch compact impact driver, KPTDV 025A, is a professional cordless tool built for woodworking and cabinetry. Its high-torque brushless motor delivers up to 2,200 inch-pounds for driving large screws effortlessly. The ultra-compact 4.4-inch body provides easy access in tight spaces, while 3-speed settings and forward/reverse assist modes ensure precision. A durable all-metal gear system, quick connect hex chuck, and integrated LED enhance usability. Compatible with Kreg 20-volt blue ion batteries, it weighs only 2.1 pounds for comfortable extended use. Dust separator. The Kreg dust separator, KWS-DS100, is a cyclonic pre-separator that sits atop a standard bucket, capturing debris before it reaches your shop vacuum. Its Filter Max fins separate even fine dust, extending vacuum filter life up to 10 times while maintaining strong suction. The clear swivel top design allows easy monitoring and movement without tipping. Built from durable polymer, it fits most 5-gallon buckets and standard 2.5-inch hoses. Included are the lid, hose, fittings, swivel elbow, and grounding screw for safe, efficient operation. Orbit Sander Kit. The Kreg 20-volt ionic drive, 5-inch random orbit sander kit, KPTBRS 500A, is a professional cordless sander engineered for precision finishing. Its brushless motor delivers consistent power, while the 3 30-seconds of an inch orbit ensures smooth, swirl-free results. Variable speed settings, 6,000 to 12,000 OPM, soft start, and pad brake enhance control. Anti-vibration design, ergonomic grips, and balanced battery placement reduce fatigue. Dust management features include an 8-hole pad, sealed electronics, and vacuum compatibility. Lightweight and durable, it comes with a 3-year warranty for reliable performance. Kreg Loose Tenon Jig. The Kreg Mortismate Loose Tenon Jig, KLTJ100, is a precision woodworking tool that creates accurate mortises for loose tenon joinery using any standard corded or cordless drill. Its auto-indexing step-down mechanism ensures consistent depth, while micro-adjustment screws allow perfect tenon fit. The integrated work surface provides stable clamping, and laser-etched markings simplify setup. Compatible with 6mm, 8mm, and 10mm carbide-tipped cutters, it supports 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch thick materials and includes a dust port for clean operation, making it versatile for panel, edge, and 90-degree joints. Magnetic Stud Finder. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder comes in two versions: the standard KMMR 1000 and the advanced Lasermark KMM 1000LZ. Both use dual rare earth magnets to locate screws and nails behind drywall for precise stud detection. The standard model is battery-free, compact, and includes a bubble level and marking notches for repeatable placements. The Lasermark trademark version adds a projected laser line for easy alignment, dual power modes, and anti-slip pads, making it ideal for professionals and DIYers who want enhanced accuracy and efficiency. Pocket Hole Jig Micro. The Kreg Pocket Hole Jig Micro KPHJ 230 is engineered for precision work with thin and narrow stock. It drills micro-sized 19/64ths of an inch pocket holes, removing less material for delicate projects like drawer boxes, small crafts, and tight furniture repairs. Its twist-apart modular design allows customizable hole spacing, while dual thickness settings and the easy set drill bid ensure accurate, consistent results. The GripMax TM anti-slip base and removable thickness tail provide stability and access in tight spaces, making this jig a versatile, durable solution for fine woodworking. Corner Routing Guide Set. The Kreg Corner Routing Guide Set PRS 1000 is a versatile jig for creating precise radius and chamfer corners on tables, doors, and shelves. It includes 8 quick change profiles, 5 radius, 1/4 inch to 2 inches, and 3 chamfer, 1/2 inch to 2 inches, templates that snap securely into the base plate. Designed for universal compatibility with trim routers, handheld routers, and router tables, it features a GripMax TM anti-slip surface, adjustable edge stop posts for secure 90-degree reference, a large ergonomic handle, and a compact storage case for all profiles.